He's a famously brief man, standing at 57 inch high. He's had no issue bringing gorgeous, high females, Nicole Kidman, 511 inch, and Katie Holmes, 59, to name just two. At just 57 inch high, this Hollywood sweetheart has no scarcity of female admirers. Women might not state, "Wow, you're so short. I desire you," however they will feel drawn into him for other reasons, He's funny, lovely, charming, confident, doing well in life, etc. This Harry Potter star is simply 56 inch tall, however it hasn't stopped female fans from lining the sides of red carpets any place he enters the hope of capturing his eye. At just 57 inch tall, this previous rapper is wed to style model Rhea Durham, who stands at simply over 59, without her heels. Simply take an appearance around you in your local mall. Guys of all shapes and sizes are out there with their spouse, sweetheart or lover. They're not all tall, they're not all Hollywood motion picture star lookalikes, they don't all have a perfect body and they're not all filled. It's not a man's height or anything else about his outside appearance that makes a woman fall in love with him, it's who he is as a male on the within that matters most. Come on brief people, you need to understand that isn't the case, and you need to understand that numerous ladies, not all, who believe they're searching for a tall man, do not decline a short man even if of his height. A short person won't be a best match for every single lady he satisfies, however the exact same requests tall people. Short people who succeed with women versus those who don't. If a short man is confident, funny, cool and effective in life, or if a person has confidence and purpose in life and he's on his way to becoming successful, then he's got the kind of alpha qualities that make him a sexually appealing man to pract. Sure, some ladies will reject a brief man even if he has whatever else going for him, but many women won't. Most of women are a lot more flexible about what they discover attractive in a male than many men realize. For many females, it's not a person's height that decides his appearance, it's his character and capacity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.